Good morning everyone from the Tattoo Pokemon Collector. Today we've got some purchases and giveaways. This was a purchase. I purchased I think it was Black Bolt, and he opened it. I said to open it for the content, and yeah, you get some nice hollows in these. Got a Pokeball and just a few standard cards. I think you get 7 cards in each pack of those. So yeah, that's those. And then I won 2 giveaways on that stream. So I got Galvantula EX and can't remember what that one's called. Kyogre, I don't know. It's too hot. It's too hot to even think. I noticed that one's not in a sleeve, so I'm gonna put that one in now. So yeah, that's 2 giveaways there. This I think was a giveaway. It was ripped on string. Don't think there's anything special in here, but might be a few that I need for Destined Rivals. Yeah, might need a couple of them. And then these are purchases. I bought them because I like them. Obviously my favourite Pokemon, my first 3 favourite is Jinx, Magikarp and Gyarados. Sent me a sticker. Pretty cool. So yeah, I got Gyarados. I've got that one already, but I want one for grading. I don't know what the condition's like. It looks pretty clean. It's cleaner than the one I've got anyway. And I bought a Houndoom. Looks a little bit scratched up, but this is for a binder copy anyway. So I'll look at the condition. Well, I don't know actually, it don't look too bad. It might have just been the top loader that's scratched up. Yeah, not bad. A little bit of whitening on the corners. You see, yeah, it's not a massive grader, but it'll do for my binder. I do like Houndoom. I am chasing the Destined Rivals Houndoom. That's my chaser for set. And I got the Gyarados GX. That's pretty clean, to be honest. Not bad. So yeah, that's my little purchases. And then these are purchases. That was a giveaway. But apparently there is an AR in that packet because he undone all the other packs on stream, and he reckons that the last AR was in that packet. But we shall see. But we'll do the battle partners first. Get them out the way. See what we get, if we get anything. Nope, that's quite cool artwork. I like that. Oh my god, it's hot. Right, let's do these. You get 7 cards in each one. I don't know if there's a pack trick to these, but we'll just get into them. Nice Pokeball. That's quite freaky looking. That's mad. I quite like that. Oh, we got a... what have we got? A sheep. Nice. Not bad. I'll put that in a... oh look, double. Whack that one in a sleeve. In fact, I'm going to whack both of them in a sleeve. Let's do that one first. It's different. I don't know what the name of that one is. He looks like Ronald McDonald. Put that one in a sleeve. So hot. Apparently it's going to start cooling down tomorrow. I can't wait. I don't do the heat very well. It was up to 32 degrees on my work van yesterday. That's ridiculous. Another Pokeball. I don't know if you can get Master Balls in this. I bet you can. Oh, another hit. Nice. Nothing major, but 2 hits out of them packs. Not bad, not bad. Happy days. Put that Pokeball in a sleeve as well. Right, on to the last pack. This one apparently has an AR in it, but we shall see. Oh, that didn't go too well. Let's see what we get. Oh, nice. There was an AR in it. Not bad, not bad. Quite happy with that. Is it a double banger? No. Hit's a hit. Do like the hollows on these. There we go. Nice AR at the end. So he was right, he did say there was one more. Happy days. Not bad. Right, thanks for watching. I shall see you again soon. Cheerio.